Hey everyone, today we are exploring a pair of headphones that promises to redefine your audio experience, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. Imagine stepping into a world where every note, every beat, and every whisper is delivered with pristine clarity.
Whoa, hold up. Are you saying that these headphones are like having a personal concert in my ears? Minus the sweetie crowd, of course.
Exactly, Tom. These headphones are engineered to offer top-tier sound quality, advanced features, and sleek design. Perfect for music lovers, commuters, and anyone who demands the best from their audio gear. And guess what? We have got a product link in the description box down below for the Sennheiser Momentum 4 and all the other headphones we're going to compare it against, where I will add any discounts I could possibly find for you.
Sweet! I love a good deal as much as I love high-quality audio.
Fun fact for you, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 comes with adaptive noise cancellation that learns and adapts to your environment, so you always get the best sound. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about these incredible headphones. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright, let's start with our first impressions. Tom, when you first saw these, what did you think?
Well, Ben, they look a bit different from the older models. Not as flashy, but they seem pretty solid. Comfortable too, right?
Absolutely. Sennheiser has gone for a more understated look with the Momentum 4. They ditched the retro styling for a simpler, more functional design. The materials are high quality and they feel great in hand. The ear cups are super soft and the handheld is wide and well padded, distributing pressure evenly. Overall, a very comfortable pair of headphones. Now let's dive into the tech specs.
This is where I usually get lost, but hit me with the deets, Ben.
No worries, Tom. The Momentum 4 wireless headphones are packed with features. They have Bluetooth 5.2, which means a strong connection and the ability to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. They support high-quality codecs like aptX Adaptive, aptX, SBC, and AAC, ensuring excellent sound quality across different devices.
That sounds fancy. What about battery life?
Glad you asked. These headphones boast an impressive 60-hour battery life with active noise cancellation on. That's double what many competitors offer. Plus, they come with a quick charge feature. Just 5 minutes of charging gives you about 4 hours of playback.
Wow, that's like charging a superhero.
Let's talk performance. These headphones really shine in terms of sound quality and noise cancellation.
Are they good for drowning out my neighbors singing?
Definitely, Tom. The active noise cancellation is top-notch, comparable to industry leaders like the Sony WH-1000XM5. They handle low-frequency noises very well and even reduce higher-end pitched sound effectively. The transparency mode is also a great feature for when you need to stay away of your surroundings.
And the sound quality?
The sound is balanced with deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. Sennheiser has nailed the tonal balance, making these headphones suitable for all kinds of music genres and even movie soundtracks. Time to break down the pros and cons.
Hit me with the good stuff first.
Pros: clean, neutral, and musical sound. 60-hour battery life, effective ANC, extremely comfortable, supports high-quality Bluetooth codecs, great connectivity options. All these pros make the Sennheiser a great choice.
Nice! And the cons?
As for the cons, well, the design is not as luxurious as the previous models. The ear cups do not fold inward for compact storage. The touch controls can be a bit laggy, and they are pricey, obviously, although cheaper than some high-end competitors. Now let's compare these with similar products.
Like the Sony WH-1000XM5, right?
Exactly. The Sony WH-1000XM5 has slightly better noise cancellation and richer sound with more prominent bass. However, the Momentum 4 wireless offers a more balanced sound and a much larger battery life. They are also more affordable compared to the Apple AirPods Max, which are significantly more expensive but offer excellent sound and build quality. The Bose QuietComfort 45 is another competitor, offering great comfort and noise cancellation, but failing short in battery life and sound quality compared to the Momentum 4.
So the Sennheiser is like the best bang for your buck, right?
That's a good way to put it, Tom. Finally, let's talk about the price to value.
Are they worth my hard-earned cash?
The Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless are priced at around $350. Given their sound quality, battery life and features, they offer excellent value for the money. They are not cheap, but they are competitively priced against higher-end rivals. Considering the long battery life and premium sound, they are a great investment for anyone serious about audio quality.
Sounds like a winner to me.
And remember, you can find the Sennheiser Momentum 4 link and all the other headphone links in the description box down below, where I'll add any discounts I can possibly get you. See you in the next one.
Alright folks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.